Tinubu has finally announced his running mate as Kashim Shettima. Shettima is a former governor of Borno State, and the APC presidential candidate stated that he chose the former governor because his career in politics and beyond shows that he is eminently qualified not only to deliver that all-important electoral victory, but also step into the shoes of the vice president. Governor Umar Abdullahi Ganduje of Kano State has stated that the choice of Kashim Shettima as Tinubu's running mate is a quality assurance for the All Progressive Congress (APC) victory in the forthcoming 2023 general elections. Atiku Abubakar, the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP), has reacted to Bola Tinubu's choice of a fellow Muslim Kashim Shettima as his running mate ahead of 2023 election. Atiku, in a statement, urged Nigerians to shun exclusionist politics, adding that the country has seen the worst shade of exclusionist politics and the road ahead is a path of inclusive and unifying politics. He urged Nigerians not to allow primordial sentiment to cloud politics, especially in such a very difficult time. President Buhari's spokesman Malam Garba Shehu, in a statement, reported the president as saying that all those that had unleashed mayhem on innocent citizens should reflect on their atrocities, knowing that they soiled their own name and their family's reputation. Labour Party presidential candidate Peter Obi has vowed that his administration will not pursue persecution of previous governments if elected into office in the 2023 general election. Obi argued that witch-hunting his predecessors in the name of fighting corruption would only amount to waste of time, as there are other means by which the government can plug leakages in the system. Staying on Peter Obi, he has picked his running mate just like Tinubu, and his vice is Baba Ahmed, who is the proprietor of Base University Abuja and Baba Ahmed University Kano. Dati Baba Ahmed, on the other hand, has come out to explain the reason he accepted to team up with Peter Obi. Baba Ahmed said he decided to be Obi's running mate because he believes in his capacity to make Nigeria live up to its billing. He also said he believes that Obi would not mismanage the nation's wealth. What is your take on a Muslim-Muslim ticket?